in India, we have been well established for more than 2 decades, and we have a team in all over India, like Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, okay, which we cover our customers. And apart from our engineers, we do have stocked a lot of spare parts to support our customers. And when we talk about training and then support as an industry 4.0, as we know that the COVID also, during the COVID period, we know that how difficult it was for us to even meet a person, right? So now, what has happened is it also has brought a new kind of an virtual interactions, right? So what we have developed is, we have developed something called training the customers on a virtual basis, and to an extent where you also can visualize to an effect like you're feeling, right? So we do have a training modules which can be trained in-house with all kind of a feel that you can have, like something like you're in front of the machines kind of thing. On the training part, we have this, and when you talk about the service itself, the traditional way of service was that a person called and then the person have to go and then do the report, service report, right? Servicing. But here, we have something called a remote smart factory. Okay, so what it does is the control is within the customer, and when he needs some support, so he just log in and then the ticket comes to us, and then what we do is we log in through that system and we take the control if it is a software wise. And today with kind of a smart glasses and whatever the operator or the technician he visualizes on the machines can also be seen with us, and we can also rectify the things. So we have come with Industry 4.0 even on the service part. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please.
Service 4.0 is the term used by only from your company, or it's a globally used term, service 4.0?
Okay. Now, when we talk about 4.0, it's something like more on a smart factories kind of things, or smart solutions what we provide. Okay, based on the need and the requirement what we are. Some of us will be unique. Okay, so we have implemented these things to the customers to provide the fastest and the better support. Yeah, thank you.
So one question about what's your strategy, base marketing strategy and product expansion plans in India?
Okay, going forward, if you see the Indian market, it is growing at a very fast pace, and we have the team localizing, supporting these customers. We have offices in Delhi, Bangalore. Prasad is managing the southern portion and western portion. I am taking care of the northern portion, so that we are in close contact with the customers at all the time. And our as explained previously, our product portfolio is so enhanced. We cater to all the segments, whether it is automotive, it is aviation, it is consumer electronics, industrial electronics. We have the softwares and solutions which caters to all the segment of the market, and we take care of the customer needs. Rest assured, they are using our product. They can be confirmed that their end customers are very satisfied, and they don't have to cater to or think about the quality of the product which is being produced on our lines or our equipments.
And also talking about our products, right? Looking at India expansion and on the electronic manufacturing. So and also with the kind of an incentive schemes that India has been launched on the PLI schemes, right? So there are a lot of newses that some of the companies want to start on the semiconductors. So we, ASMPT, under one roof, we do have solutions catering from semiconductors to the SMT. We have already shown the line for the SMT here in our booth, and for semiconductors also we are the pioneers, and we do have a solutions for every customer on an electronic manufacturing sectors.
Thank you.
Thank you.